Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a wonderful recipe for you. I'm going to be using fenugreek. Here I have a spoon of fenugreek seed. I also have rose petals. I made use of 2 spoons of rose petals. Rose petals is rich in antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. They deeply nourish and cleanse the scalp, thus strengthening your hair follicles and promoting the hair growth of healthy hair. They also serve as a natural conditioner for your hair and prevent any occurrence of dandruff and scalp infection. I poured my rose petals and fenugreek into a jar. I added half cup of hot water into the jar and I kept it overnight. Before I go on, I would like to know if you've used fenugreek in any way, either as a mask or as a leave-in. So please comment down below if you've used fenugreek in any way. Thank you. And if you've just come across my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Thank you. I'm also making use of aloe vera. I made use of 3 spoons of aloe vera. If you have the fresh aloe vera at home, you can also make use of it. Aloe vera strengthens your hair, it controls greasy hair, it also helps an itchy scalp, protects you from any UV damage and also boosts hair growth. Let me talk about some of the benefits of fenugreek. Fenugreek prevents hair loss. Lecithin found in fenugreek acts as a natural emulsient that conditions and moisturizes your scalp and hair deeply. It revives damaged hair. So if you have a damaged hair, you can use fenugreek to revive your hair. It also fights dandruff. It controls scalp inflammation. Also adds shines and softens your hair texture. It prevents premature gray hair. Please mix properly and ensure your aloe vera dissolves. I turned it into my applicator bottle, which is ready for use. You can use this as a daily spray. It can be applied on cornrow, it can be applied after wash,